Shit, bitch. Fuck.
I've been reading some of the comments on Sylvester's latest Talking Kitty videos and, wow.
When it started, I expected a clean animal video, but then he opened his mouth. I am so disappointed. Other than the distasteful language, I find it very cute.
OMG, that is so fake. And why did you swear? My 4-year-old child watched this.
The kitty's harsh words hurt my heart.
You know what? You're right. How dare he? I'm gonna go talk to him.
Hey, Sylvester.
What?
Hey, there's some people out there that they don't want to hear you swear anymore on camera.
Fuck 'em.
Oh. Oh, okay. All right.
I tried.